Welcome to another episode of our budget-friendly series. Today we're adding a delightful new recipe to your vegan collection, vegan pancakes that are as fluffy as clouds and as delicious as your favorite childhood breakfast memories. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of almond milk, or any plant-based milk of your choice, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix the almond milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this will ensure your pancakes stay light and fluffy. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with vegetable oil. Pour about 1 or 4 cups of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown on the other side. Serve your vegan pancakes with your favorite toppings: fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of coconut yogurt. All make excellent choices. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly vegan pancakes, perfect for any morning. Stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes coming up next. Hey busy parents, ready to turn your kitchen chaos into culinary comedy? Ever find yourself struggling to whip up a meal that's both affordable and delicious? Well, you're in luck. And no, this isn't an infomercial. Today, I've got 3 super easy and budget-friendly recipes you can make right at home. No magic wand required. First up, we have a comforting classic: 1-pot pasta. Because who has time for 2 pots? All you need is some pasta, a few veggies, a can of tomatoes, and a sprinkle of cheese. It's like a hug in a bowl. Just toss everything into a pot, add some seasoning, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Feel free to do a victory dance while you wait. You'll have a delicious meal with minimal cleanup. Your future self will thank you. Perfect for those hectic weeknights, or any night, really. Next, let's talk about a protein-packed, budget-friendly option: black bean tacos. Taco, bout to win. Grab a can of black beans, some tortillas, and your favorite taco toppings. Yes, guac is extra, but worth it. Heat up the beans with a little garlic and cumin, then load them onto your tortillas. It's like a fiesta in your kitchen. Add some chopped lettuce, tomatoes, and a dollop of sour cream, and you're good to go. Or just eat them straight from the pan. No judgment. These tacos are not only tasty, but also super quick to make. Blink and you'll miss it. Last but not least, we have a family favorite: chicken fried rice. Because who doesn't love a good rice pun? Use leftover rice, some frozen veggies, and a couple of eggs. It's like a fridge clean out party. Saute the veggies, scramble the eggs, and toss everything together with a bit of soy sauce. Voila! Instant chef status. If you have some cooked chicken on hand, throw that in too. Or just pretend you do. It's a great way to use up leftovers and save money. Your wallet will thank you. So there you have it. 3 easy and affordable meals you can make right at home. No culinary degree required. Give them a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I promise I read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes. Happy cooking, and may the forks be with you.